guys. Hey guys, I'm back. I will be making food because it's summer and it's lunchtime and nobody's home except for my stepdad, but he's sleeping. Don't mind the handwriting. There's that handwriting. I'm making pasta. Okay, this is so you're gonna need pasta, any kind. Cheese, 4 tablespoons flour, 3.5 tablespoon butter, 2 cups of milk, and this is what you have to do. Mix all ingredients, these ones, in a pan on low heat and boil pasta into pan and mix. You have to boil the pasta first and then put the pasta when you're done boiling it. And make sure you drain out the juice. Put the pasta in the pan with all the ingredients. That reminds me, I need to go grab my cat. She's outside, that's why I need to go grab her. I couldn't find her. So we're just gonna have to thug it out low key. Okay. That's what I'm gonna be cooking. Okay, let's hurry up and boil the pasta real quick. Okay, so I boiled the stuff. Why do I need flour in this? That's what's gonna throw me off. I'm not gonna tell you try. I never tried this recipe before. I found it on the website. Okay, let me go grab all the stuff. You guys are supposed to come with me. Let's go. Now, fettuccine. I got the stuff. That's just, and that's all there. Okay, a decent amount. Just trust. My dad taught me this, and he was a chef, you guys. He was a chef. That's gonna make it boil faster. Okay, we have noodles. We need cheese. 4 tablespoons flour. Okay, now on top of my knife here because it's low-key good. We're gonna add this to the pan.
God, you look so pretty when you tell me that you love.
Okay, bro, I have to trust the process. Wait, what if I dye the cheese? Should I? I'm gonna dye it pink. We're gonna go see if my cat is ready to come inside. She's been out there a while. And it's humid out and I don't want her to get heat stroke. I hear her. Hey! Come on, baby. That seems good. Oh my god. God, I thought it was hot for a second. Oh, I'm so cooked. If that stains like that. It needs like 2 minutes. To the kitchen. I mean, we already in the kitchen. Okay, whatever. Let's teleport back over there. Yo guys. How'd you guys get here? It's more of a drizzle, oh god. Okay. I have the noodles, let's pour them in. ASMR. ASMR dog. Okay, let's try it. You right? It was hot? Too bad. That's really good. This one might come back. That's pretty good, guys. You guys should color all of your pasta pink, guys. It's really good, guys. I'm now gonna go enjoy this and watch some YouTube because I'm just like that. If you want more cooking tutorials, like, subscribe, and comment down below. Peace. High five.